How to fix this post is unavailable on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are seeing this post is unavailable on Instagram, here are some reasons for this. The first one would be the post was deleted by the user on Instagram due to violations. Second reason would be the account is private and you're not following it, so you cannot see the post. Another reason would be the post is restricted or blocked in your region due to copyright or legal reasons. Or the last reason would be you have been blocked by the account owner. So some of the solutions that you can try is, first of all, try refreshing or force closing the application. Once that is done, refresh the applications once again and check if the user account is still active or it's private. If it's private, you may need to follow them to see the post. However, if you think it's a bug or clearly an app issue, in that case, you might have to clear the app cache. To do so, head over to your device settings. Then go to General section and tap on iPhone storage. Search for Instagram and then tap on Offload app. Once offloaded, you'll have to reinstall the Instagram application. This way you have cleared the cache and also reinstall the application. You can also try to use Instagram on a different device or browser to check if the post shows up there. If you believe that the post should be available, then in that case you can contact Instagram support through the app's help center. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.